Good morning, Emerson. Today is Friday, April 25th, and we're so excited to welcome you to this week's episode of WEMS. I'm Ms. Prokos, one of the school social workers.
And I'm Mrs. Prokos, 6th grade social studies teacher, and yes, we're mother and daughter.
This past Sunday, April 20th, was a special day for many people. It was Easter Sunday.
What made this year even more unique is that both Western and Eastern Orthodox Christians celebrated Easter on the same day. That doesn't happen very often. Orthodox Christians follow the Julian calendar. Orthodox Easter, also called Pascha, is always celebrated on the Sunday after Passover.
Easter, also known as Resurrection Sunday, is a Christian holiday that celebrates the resurrection of Jesus Christ.
Many people observe the day by attending church services, spending time with family, and enjoying traditions. Orthodox Easter traditions include late-night candlelight services, symbolic foods including lamb, and dyeing and cracking of red eggs.
So, if someone you know celebrated this week, be sure to wish them
Happy Easter or
Christos Anesti.
Alithos Anesti. We hope it was a joyful and meaningful holiday for all who celebrate.
And now let's get into the rest of this week's episode.
Students, please rise and face the flag for our pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Students, please sit for 15 seconds of silence.
Howdy, hi there, Eagles. Don't expect a lot of sun over the weekend. It'll be partly cloudy tomorrow into Sunday. Temps will be in the high 60s, but also the low 40s, so don't put away your jacket until fall just yet. For today's edition of Hot Topics and Cool Facts, in 1901, license plates became mandatory in the state of New York. Being the first state to make it so, license plates had to feature the initials of the driver, so back in my day, we didn't have vanity plates. We only had our initials on our bumper. You kids better be lucky for what you have now. That's all for me, and I hope to see you again next week.
Attention all Eagles. On Friday, May 16th, the 8th grade will have a Dance to Celebrate promotion.
Tickets are only $35 and can only be purchased at myschoolbucks.com. Tickets will not be sold at the door, so get those tickets while you can.
The final stretch of the IXL Skill Plan Challenge is here. This is your last chance to push your grade to the top.
The final leaderboard will be revealed next Wednesday at lunch. If you want to make a difference, now is the time to put in the effort.
We've seen some serious competition, and it's anyone's game. Keep working on your skills and help your grade finish strong.
One last week to give it your best shot. Who will win it all? We'll find out soon.
Unfortunately, our Earth has been plagued by trash, so
We must clean up the earth in
the Spring Cleanup
Event.
the event will be on Saturday, April 26th, starting at 1 p.m. at Blue Lake in Des Plaines.
We will need every helping hand, so bring your family and friends along.
Make sure to wear long-sleeve shirts and pants with hard-sole shoes and gardening gloves.
And don't forget to bring a reusable water bucket to stay hydrated and a 5-gallon bucket.
Congratulations to Rava I, Camila Y, Manisha M, and Joya for winning the district level Young Authors Contest.
Keep up the great work. We can't wait to see what you write in the future.
Congratulations, MK,
for winning the book Fair Raffle.
Thank you, everybody. Enjoy.
Misericordia about.
Misericordia is a community in Chicago, very close to Park Ridge, that supports children and adults with disabilities. Misericordia provides opportunities for individuals to flourish in life. There are multiple classes, there are jobs on campus at Misericordia and off campus. As long as we are compassionate and show empathy for individuals with special needs, our world is going to flourish. Misericordia is a very, very special place, and all the residents there are so thankful for all your help.
So then what's this money for?
This money is because in the state of Illinois, we lack funding for individuals with disabilities. And the only way that these individuals can receive quality care is through private fundraising. So it's very important for us to continue to support individuals with disabilities.
Hey, Ms. Sybeck, how much money do you think was donated?
So far or overall by the end of the day?
Overall, by the end of the day.
Okay, I think that maybe close to 500. What do you think?
I think it might be closer to like 700.
Okay.
I'm Ms. Donato.
What do you feel about Mr. Shower and Miss Sybeck getting taped up?
I think it's great that Mr. Shower and Mrs. Sybeck are being taped to the wall. I'm sure they volunteered to do that, and by the amount of tape I see up there, it shows a lot of support for Misericordia, which reflects the generosity of the Emerson students.
Yeah.
I am Mr. Simmons.
Because you are the math teacher, how many pieces of tape do you think is on Mr. Shower and Miss Sybeck combined?
Well, first of all, I don't think that there's enough to hold them up, but if I were to take a guess, I'm going to go 500 on Mr. Shower and 492 on Mrs. Sybeck.
All right. Thank you.
Hi, what's
You're
your name?
welcome.
Hi, I'm Mr. Purcell. What do you think about Mr. Shower and Miss Sybeck getting taped?
I think it is for a great cause. They are killing it up there. I mean, just look at them. They are having the time of their lives. Look at all the sixth graders in line right now. I mean, you guys are doing awesome.
Yeah, thank you.
Why is it important for you to donate to Misericordia?
I just think it's important to help out whichever cause needs our help, and so I stepped up.
Why did you volunteer?
Because it's for a great cause, and I wanted to see who would step up and donate for this cause.
How do you feel about it?
I'm having a lot of fun. I was
Nice.
a little nervous.
Nice, thank you.
Hello, what is your name?
Miss Peterson.
What do you feel about Mr. Shower and Miss Sybeck getting taped up?
I think it's pretty awesome, and they're doing it for a great cause.
Okay, good. Thank
What's
you.
your name?
Thank you.
How much money did you donate?
$5.
What do you think about Mr. Shower and Miss Sybeck getting taped up?
It's very hilarious how they're just hanging there for dear life.
Yeah, thank you.
The Tape the Teacher fundraiser.
All proceeds go to Misericordia.
What's going on, Matt?
Adam, what are you wearing?
What are you doing right now?
I'm asking you what you're wearing.
Nobody even thought about what I was wearing till you brought it up!
We are Emerson!